Hey, what's up guys, David here from Dignited. Today I want to show you how you can find out the hardware aspects of your Mac. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I have a Mac Mini here which I use as my daily driver for creating tutorials, video editing and so forth, and I just want to show you how you can find out the hardware specs of your Mac, whatever Mac that you have. So come to the top left corner here and click on this Apple icon. Alright, and now come and click on about this Mac. Alright, so you have this little window here which has the Mac version. I'm running Mac OS Monterey right now, which is 12.4, and the Mac model it will show you. So in my case I have Mac Mini M1, that's the 2020 edition. The chipset or the processor is Apple M1, the memory or the RAM is 8 GB, and then you have a serial number as well. All right, and on the next tab you can also see the displays or the monitor that you have. I have an external monitor attached to my Mac Mini, which is an HP 22CWA Full HD display. And then on the next tab you can see your storage details, which is how big your hard drive is. For this Mac Mini it's 250 GB right there. And yeah, so if you want to go even deeper, you just have to come back to the overview tab and then click on system report here. So system report has more details about your Mac. Yeah, whatever you want to find out, you can see it here from the USB version and the ports. You can see I have USB 3.0 right here as well, the storage again, and Bluetooth, Ethernet, version and the speeds and all that. You can also find out your network or Wi-Fi model or version right here under Wi-Fi. You can see I'm running Wi-Fi 6 here. Yeah, it's a lot of details that you can find about your Mac down here. But my favorite way is actually the web version. So to get the web version of the technical specs of your Mac, simply come to the resource tab and then click on specifications here. Yeah, this is a much neater version of what we've already seen, and it's also something that is shareable with your friends, something that you can easily print out. Just Control P and save as a PDF, and then yeah, share it with somebody, an email or social media, whatever. But anyways, this is Mac Mini M1 2020. That's the model, the color, the chipset here, and now it goes deep down into how many cores that I have, the neural engine and so forth. You have your RAM here. This is 8 GB of RAM, configurable up to 16 GB. You have the storage here, how big the SSD is. It's 256. You have video support if you want to plug in external displays, what connectors it supports, what video display standards it supports. Under audio you have the details. It has a built-in speaker, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and then HDMI port as well. And then under connections I have two Thunderbolt ports that also support USB 4, and you can see here then I have USB A ports, right, up to 5 gigabit per second, and then I have a Giga Ethernet port right there, an HDMI port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So I can see all these ports at the back of my Mac Mini, and they are right here. So Wi-Fi, this is Wi-Fi 6 as we already seen, Bluetooth 5.0. This is Giga Ethernet, the size, the weight, the operating system, and then you also have built-in apps here that you can check out. So actually I prefer the web version of the technical specs of my Mac rather than the one that you get from the operating system. Alright, this is it. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Otherwise we'll see you guys in the next one.